Oh boy, fuck shit bitch ass retard, Huggingface storage limit has been bumped to 500 GB? How about that, genius move. I mean, who wouldn't want to cap their free account at a gigabyte or two? It's not like we're all just gonna start dumping random stuff across model repos and spamming users with our mediocre AI creations. Fuck that. But seriously, what's the real reason behind this update? Is it because they finally figured out how to optimize their GPU grants for people who don't know what the fuck they're doing with model checkpoints? I mean, BB says it's all about making the UI more clear and recognizable, but let's be real, son of a bitch, that's just code speak for we're gonna make you feel bad for using our service without knowing what you're doing. And have you guys noticed how they framed this as a liberal update? Liberal? Are they trying to say they're the fucking ACLU or something? Newsflash, Huggingface, being liberal doesn't mean you get a free pass to charge people for storage. Motherfucker, you need to pay attention to what's going on in your own community. Now, I'm gonna drop some knowledge bomb here. Did you know that Huggingface storage grants are actually designed to incentivize the use of model checkpoints? It's called quantizing models, and it's not just for random dudes dumping stuff across repos. But hey, don't worry about that, cunt. You can just keep on spamming users with your AI trash and hope they don't notice.